Neo Glamour TV. Choose the best African entertainment just at the tip of your finger.
What is this? Did you clean this living room today?
Yes, sir, I did.
I see. 5% slash from your salary for doing a bad job.
But sir, I can't...
Another 5% slash for interrupting me when I'm not done talking. That is 10%. Do you want to interrupt me again?
Hi, Jason. You're back.
Sis, where did you get this girl from? She can't even do proper cleaning to this house.
Proper cleaning? What happened? But I cleaned...
Another 5% slash for interrupting me when I'm talking with my beautiful sister. You see my problem? Every little thing, she starts to cry. You're shedding crocodile tears. Instead of you to pay attention to your mistakes so that they don't repeat itself, you're crying. And why are you looking so skinny? I don't understand. She's looking skinnier every day. Is it that you don't eat in this house? Because I'm aware you eat all the food in this house. So why are you looking skinny? Are you sick? When last did you go for a test? Answer me.
Perhaps I did one before coming here.
Do another one. Because I don't understand this your look. I don't like it. Please don't mind her. Hey, come here. What's that smell? Have you had a shower today?
Jason, stop. Yes, sir.
You're sure you've had your shower?
Yes, sir.
Did you wash your underwear? I mean, the one you're wearing now, did you wash it?
Jason, what's all this? Stop.
Answer me, did you?
Yes, sir.
Let me see it.
What's all this?
No, I need to see it to be sure.
Stop.
The place is stinking. Please get an air freshener and spray it into this place.
Jason. Jason. No, brother Jason. I take an exception to that. Why do you seize every opportunity to talk down on that poor girl? Simply because she's our employee?
Our employee, you say? That makes me her employer. Her boss. So she should be at my beck and call.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, now body shaming a woman is the quality of a boss? Does this whole thing even make sense to you, brother Jason? Does it? Why do you allow your past experiences change you this much? This is not who you used to be. The fact that you were in relationship with women that acted all bossy and treated you like trash is not enough reason you should treat every other lady like trash. I don't understand. What you don't want people to do to you, don't do it to them.
I don't get it. Why are you defending this girl? An employee who will not take her job seriously. You are defending her. Why? Is this because she's a lady?
No, it's not because she's a lady. But because what is worth doing is worth doing well. And what is not worth doing is not worth doing at all. Besides, Kama is a bitch.
Ah, Kama is a bitch. So you're anti-Kama now, huh?
Diane, my brother was not like this. He wasn't. I can tell you this for free. A lot had happened, but nevertheless, I want to apologize on his behalf. He must have probably had a bad day from the board meeting he went for.
Bad day? He has bad days every day of the week. What have I done to him to make him hate me so much? What did I do? Steph, tell me, is it a crime in this part of the world to not belong to the class of the high and mighty? Huh? Every chance or opportunity that your brother sees to make me cry, he takes it. What does he want from me? What? Okay, so would he rather that I go and prostitute myself to make a living? No, would he?
No, Diane, don't say that. I just apologized on his behalf. He'll change. Come here. Come here. It's okay.
Who do we have here? Make it Gregor.
The general himself.
Nigga.
The general himself.
Hey. Why didn't you inform me that you were coming?
I need a town crier to announce that I'm coming to see you, right?
What are you doing?
I'm here to finish all the food in this house. So just...
Right on time, baby.
Whoa. Right on time?
Mm-hmm.
Who did you come to see? I or my sister?
Okay, both of you actually. Yeah, and I'm here to loot everything in this house. Okay? But maybe starting from your sister.
Man, say that saying that you won't gang.
Come here! How are you? With the general himself! The general himself!
Talk to me. What's happening?
Oh, nothing much, bro. I just, decided to come say hi.
Slow down. Please.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Will you stop that? You're sorry. You're sorry. Really? No, you're not sorry. You're not. My goodness. Steph, from which village did you bring this girl from? Like, I don't understand. Huh? You embarrass me, you embarrass my guest, and then you're saying you're sorry?
Jay, come on. Like, for real, I'm fine. Okay, you don't have to raise your voice.
No, bro, you're not okay. You are not okay. Don't say you're okay. You are not. This girl needs to be punished. Go there and kneel down until I say you should get up.
Jason?
You're still looking at me. You want to lose your job? Because I'm not adding raise your hands up.
Jay, can you listen to me? Don't you think you're being too hard on this girl?
Tell him.
Don't you think you're going extreme?
That's how it's supposed to be. Bosses are meant to be hard on their employees, and not the other way around. You're looking at me, brother.
How? I enjoyed the meal at somebody just did it themselves.
Wow. Wow. So it has gotten to this point. Huh? You're looking at your boss's picture with so much loss and emotions. For real? At the entire IRB? You better cover those eyes. Those sick eyes of yours. Do you know this could attract you a salary slash? Do you know that? %5 slash from your salary for looking at your boss's picture with emotions. Hey, come here, come. What were you doing? Lying on my expensive couch with your non-expensive body?
Jason.
Huh? You can't even say anything. You can't. 5% slash from your salary for being at the wrong place at the wrong time. Now, run.
Jason.
Get out of here, run!
Jason, stop!
I said run!
Jason, what are you doing? Why do you derive pleasure in making that girl uncomfortable? The poor girl panics at every sight of you.
Well, that's how it's supposed to be.
That's not true.
A staff runs at the sight of her boss and not sit.
Jason, that's not true.
Get her to clean this car door. Probably take it outside.
Jason! No, come on, baby. Jason!
You do? Yeah.
No, can you? Are you updated?
Oh, well, I know most of your men actually. It's just I don't want to be putting eyes into their cases.
Cheers.
What?
Cheers. To us.
Yeah, sure. Of course.
We don't know take Jason's call.
Oh. Yes.
Hi, Jason. What is it? Talk to me now. Is everything okay? Okay, where are you now? Okay, I'll be with you shortly. Just hold on, I'll be with you shortly. Okay, alright.
What's going on?
I need to see my brother immediately.
What's happening? Okay.
Oh, see you, baby. See you.
At least let me.
Jason, what happened? You got me worried over the phone. Talk to me. What happened? Talk to me.
I've been defrauded of the company's money. I was supposed to remit 100 million to the head office in Abuja. I don't know how I initiated a transaction that landed in the hands of fraudsters. This is problem. Big one.
Come on, bro, this is not good. Like, how did you manage to become signatory to transactions involving fraudsters to a company like Famous? Like, Famous of all the companies, bro. Millions of naira. Huh? That man's name of Femi Williams. One kind of a man, bro. Huh? He single-handedly jailed a state governor over something that people didn't even know that he could get reasons to jail him for. Imagine what he's going to do to you, bro. Huh?
I messed up. I'm in deep shit. Deep shit. I don't even know. I don't understand how I involved myself in this. Huh? I was sitting right there in front of the board of directors and I couldn't even utter a single word. I was just talking rubbish. I couldn't explain nothing.
You go explain. Even if you explain, there is no evidence. You go explain tire now. Not with this man.
And the man was there. He was just sitting there. I remember his words to me. I will jail you, he said.
Hey, Jesus. He said that to you? He will jail you? Bro, this is serious. This is serious. Like, it's over. Huh?
See, there's no need bantering words. What do we do now? What do we do?
Let me just think. Someone like Senator Femi, he's a hard nut to crack when it comes to decision making. You know, once his mind is made up, it's very difficult for him to go back on it. Huh?
I heard his last daughter is his favorite child. Maybe we should find a way to get to her so that she could help us talk to her father, because I heard she influences his decision. I got her address.
My mother also be here.
Good day. Diana Williams, the daughter of Senator Femi Williams, a senior citizen in Nigeria, and the CEO of Famous Oil and Gas. And you, I believe, is Jason Wadike, the branch manager of Famous Oil and Gas. The one who embezzled millions of naira from my daddy's company. The one who will pretty soon be going to jail. Look, I know the reason why you're here. You're here because you heard that I am daddy's favorite. The one that daddy listens to. The one that influences daddy's decision. But what I do not know is why a young man that is so put together, so coordinated, would be such an incompetent person that millions of naira will vanish right before his eyes. You know, my daddy might be a lot of things, but one thing that he's not is lenient. Because his second name is jail. And you, young lady, what are you doing here?
My name is Stephanie. He's my brother and we both work in the same branch.
Oh, I see. And you're here to go to jail with him, yeah?
I
Thank you. The customer, the MTN number you have dialed is currently switched off. Please try again later. Thank you.
What is going on here?
I'm as confused as you are. Is that?
Is there a problem?
Oh, not at all, ma.
No.
Ma, sorry, I don't mean to offend you, but are you by any chance a twin? I mean, do you have a twin sister?
Twin sister? Do I look like someone you know? Someone who is holding grudges on you? Someone you might have offended somewhere? who is now pressing charges against you just like the Williams are. Maybe double jail term. Okay.
What is that?
Restricted.
No, now. Is it not bad enough that the company has taken their car? Now they're asking us to leave the house. I mean, where do they expect us to put up to? Have you tried calling that girl?
Kemdirim's number is still not connecting.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't just understand how to explain this. The resemblance is just too much. Is it that she has a twin? Like an identical twin? Because my brother,
something is not just adding up here, you know. How come she just disappeared the moment all these issues came up? And she could not be reached? Huh? I hope this is not what I'm thinking.
What are you thinking?
I hope this your house girl is not the same as Senator Femi's daughter.
No, now. Mikey, what are you saying? No, it's not possible. That can't be a good. Just take that one out of the equation. What are you saying? Because my brother, they asked us to come back tomorrow. My faith is literally in the hands of this senator's daughter. And if she happens to be the same girl that is in my house that I've been bullying, just find me a prison brochure so I can begin to learn their ways, because I'm going to jail. There's no way I'm not going to jail. No, it can't be.
I'm guessing that this has answered the questions in your heart. I am Ikemdirim, your supposed house girl, the only daughter of the renowned Femi Williams. She decided to go into her shell for reasons best known to her. And yes, you are right. She is the jewel of her father. The only one he listens to. The one who influences the decision of her daddy. This house and the house that the company allocated to you belongs to her. Hey, Daddy.
Yes, Angel.
You're leaving already?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I can see you have some guests.
Yes, Daddy.
Yes, sir.
Isn't this face?
Yes, he's the branch manager here.
Oh. The one who embezzled 100 million naira fund. Who even allowed him into this place? Listen, I hope you fastened your seatbelt because I am going to jail you without looking back.
Oh, Daddy. Don't worry, I've got it covered, okay? And I know he's innocent.
How can you trust young men of these days? I think I should blame you in all of this, my angel. Huh? You know what? I am always in the UK. And then I entrusted everything about this company in your hand. And I believe you should handle it diligently. All the office that I've given to you. But what do I get? Huh? You are just like the CEO, Phenos Oil and Gas in this city. Huh? You are in charge. And I trusted you. And you employed such an incompetent man to be the manager of this company that you're in charge of. What happened to you?
Daddy. Daddy, you're beginning to hurt my feelings.
Excuse me, will you get up? How dare you sit down? Huh? Look at him.
Daddy, you're beginning to hurt my feelings. Am I not your jewel anymore? Don't worry, I'll handle it, okay?
All right, my jewel. I think your judgment is just as good as mine. You know what? I will be leaving for the UK first thing tomorrow morning. And then I will definitely come back. And when I come back, I'll come see you, okay?
All right, Daddy.
All right, bye, my girl.
My domestic staff are currently on holiday and they will not be returning anytime soon. You are to resume their chores, to take up their roles and work for me as my domestic staff. That way I'll be able to keep an eye on you and what you're doing. The manual I'll be sending to you would be the outline of things that you need to do. In a way, I am taking a bullet that was prepared for you by my father.
No. There is no way I will belittle myself to work as a domestic staff for a girl that worked for me. I am not doing it.
No. Are you listening to yourself at all? Huh? Can you hear where you're vomiting? You cannot belittle yourself. No, it's okay. Keep saying no. The way I'm looking at you from one angle, I'm seeing you. The other angle, I'm seeing jail. Like standard iron.
What do you mean by that? What do you mean you're seeing jail?
No,
Who's going to jail?
You now, you go to jail. You're seeing a girl that is ready to take a bullet for you for a mess you found yourself in. And you're here shouting, no. You're keeping your hand like this. You just go to jail.
See, bro, this is not the time for this. So it's high time you swallow your pride. Swallow your pride, bro. Let go of your ego. This is not as simple as you think, oh. We are talking about 100 million naira here. I mean, we are even lucky that she's on your side. The best thing you can do now is to just succumb, but play the fool even when you're not a fool. And do exactly what she says. If it means me going over to the house with you, I will go just for you to do this.
You don't have to go anywhere with him. He can go. He has to go on his own and do whatever the girl wants. Huh?
I'll follow him and go so that he can do it.
You follow him and go?
Yes.
Okay. If you want to go to jail and two of you can stay in the same room, at least I can bring food for the two of you at the same time.
What are you saying?
You go with him now.
I'm not going to jail. And you will not go to jail. You will do it.
The manual says 1 domestic staff. Did you not read it? Why do I have 2? And yes, I want the male one.
I know you pick on me, but I have my reason why I'm here with you. I know you haunt me with your words, bullying me around while I'm serving you. 'Cause you remind me of a beautiful soul that make me stare at you every day. The reason why I'm still standing here is all for love. Oh, yeah, yeah. It's all for love. I've sacrificed just to get closer to you. Don't you see me? Yeah, I do all I can to make you give love a second chance. Oh, 'cause you remind me of a beautiful soul that make me stare at you every day. The reason why I'm still standing here is all for love. I did it, everything I do is all for love. I did it for you. Oh, 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 oh. Refi.
Sorry. I'm sorry, ma. I'm so sorry.
What exactly are you sorry for? Huh? No, tell me, what are you sorry for? And why are you fidgeting? Oh, so you're scared? You're scared of actually going to jail? Wow. I can't even believe my ears right now. So you can actually say sorry from that your mouth. Anything that you've damaged in this house, you are going to pay for it. Do you understand me? Just go about breaking things all over the house. Look at you. I thought you were a man. Oh, you no longer have powers, eh? What happened to you?
Jason, what have you broken again? Are you sure you've not gone to banter words with her? You know her father is not the kind of man you can toy with and go scot-free. Okay, just go. Just go and apologize to her. Go and beg her before it gets to her father's ears. Jason, just go. Swallow your pride for once. Go and apologize to her.
Come in.
I want to apologize for what happened earlier. It wasn't my intention to break anything in the house. And I also want to apologize for the way I mistreated you in the past. That wasn't me. A lot happened that led to it, and I'm sorry. Please, I don't want your father to know that I maltreated you in the past. Please.
Jay, are you afraid of what my father would do to you or what I would do to you?
I just...
Go.
I'm trying to say this.
Go. Just go. Jay? Try and do your duty diligently, okay? Because if you do otherwise, then my father has to come in. Do you understand me?
It's all good. It's all good. So how about Jason? Have you heard from him?
Just my brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, I spoke with him earlier today. He's fine.
Oh, beautiful. That's good. You know, sometimes I just get so worried about him.
Worried?
Yeah.
About him?
Yes.
Why?
Maybe because of that girl's father, the son. That man can be so unpredictable, you know. The thought of that man scares me.
And why does everyone get scared at the mention of that man's name?
So someone that jailed the state governor, huh? At something that we all thought was nothing. You're not scared about him? And I know Jason as well. He can be so stubborn at times. I just pray he keeps his cool so that he doesn't go to jail.
He better do, because if he doesn't, he will go to jail, but...
No, I wouldn't want him to go to jail. I don't know, I just pray this ends up peacefully, like, without much problems or complications.
Certainly he won't be.
So, baby, can't you just, at least you are thinking about your brother, you're looking for where you're going?
I don't understand.
What do you mean?
Hi, Jason. How are you? You don't sound okay. Is everything alright?
Yes, Steph, I'm okay. I'm fine.
And how is Madame?
She's okay. She's there. She just had a knee dislocation earlier today.
Dislocation? How come?
She slipped. Yeah, she slipped and fell.
Is that serious?
Yeah, I just massaged it with cream. Yeah, the doctor, he said she's going to get fine. She'll be better just to constantly massage the affected area.
Okay, I'll come check up on you later.
Alright, I'll talk to you later, okay?
Yeah, catch ya. Bye.
There's something about her. There's something about that girl. Like the way she looks into my eyes. You need to see how she looks at my face. You can clearly see that she's physically there. But her mind is far away. And then the next thing, she starts to cry. Tears. I don't know. And then she falls. That was where she got that dislocation on her knee. I don't just know.
So what do you make of that?
I don't know. I mean, I can't lay my hands on anything. But I know that she's different. So whenever I see those tears, I feel bad. I ask myself if I'm the reason for the tears. I just wish she could, open up and talk to me. Tell me if I'm the reason for the tears. But there's something about her. She doesn't even react rudely to anything. With good attitude. There's something about everything about her is just...
Jason, are you falling in love with Diane? Huh?
What? Why would you even say such a thing?
I mean, it's obvious, even from your voice.
Oh. So now you can tell by reading people's voice. I don't think it's love. No, it's not. It's just... I mean, yeah, I like her personality. She's nice. Not like those other girls that did it in the past. Those women who will not waste any opportunity to disrespect and humiliate their man simply because they have money. What?
I know you pick on me, but I have my reason why I'm here with you. I know you haunt me with your words, bullying me around while I'm serving you. Cause you remind me of a beautiful soul that make me stare at you every day. The reason why I'm still standing here is all for love. Oh, yeah, yeah. It's all for love. I've sacrificed just to get closer to you. Don't you see me? Yeah, I do all I can to make you good. remind me of a beautiful soul that make me stare at you every day. The reason why I'm still standing here is all for love. I did it, everything I do is all for love. I did it for you. Oh, 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 oh.
Renfi.
Come here. Thank you. And why are you walking like that?
So you're not aware that you are 18 Start. First of all, cheers. Okay. Toast to life. Yeah.
Oh, maybe I should give you some money. Say that once. I'm going to Okay, so what do you have for me? I'm not going to take shit for you. Sorry, I'm not going to take shit for you.
Renfi.
Lima, I'm just checking on you to know if you'll be needing anything. Do you want me to do anything for you? I know you're not strong. Can do your laundry, any errand.
Jay? Do you need anything? Or do you have something to say to me?
Not really.
Have you ever been in love before? Have you ever been in love?
Yes. No.
Oh, I know you haunt me with your words, bullying me around while I'm serving you. 'Cause you remind me of a beautiful soul that make me stare at you every day. The reason why I'm still standing here is all for love. Oh, yeah, yeah. It's all for love. I've sacrificed just to get closer to you. Don't you see me? Yeah, I do all I can to make you give love a second chance. Oh, 'cause you remind me of a beautiful soul that make me stare at you every day. The reason why I'm still standing here is all for love. I did it, I did it. Everything I do is all for love. I did it for you. Oh,
You think
oh,
I am in love with you?
Huh? In love with who?
Who else?
You're in love with your house girls and boss.
Mickey, that's not funny. It's not laughing, but I'm serious.
My bad.
I'm in love with her. Like I am deeply in love with her. I think about her all the time. That girl gives me sleepless nights. I don't know what to do about it.
Well, you sound serious. I don't know. If you're actually serious about this, then you should just walk up to her and tell her how you feel about her.
Just like that?
Yeah. I mean, do you need us to kill a cow and then kill a white fowl before you be able to profess your feelings to the lady you love? Come on, bro. Those days are gone. I mean, if you love someone, you just have to walk up to her, tell them how you feel about them. These are gone when you have to, beat around the bush and draw maps and all that. And then you have to say the word before someone else does. Yeah, that's my candid advice anyways. Yeah?
Yeah.
It's not a big deal. But it still looks...
Just, in that world where you just keep thinking, what do I do next?
Oh, yeah. We can pull it out if you're stressed about it.
Man, get me something to drink, jeez.
Yeah, I'll get you something, of course. I'll get you then. Ha! My man. My man.
I'm in love with you. Hey. I'm sorry, did I say something wrong? Did I say anything to hurt your feelings? I'm sorry.
Diane, what are you doing to yourself? Just stop. Get up, get up. Sit. What's it? What are you doing to yourself? Just stop. Diane, what are you doing to yourself? Huh? What are you doing? It's over a year since my brother James, your late fiancé, died, and you're yet to get over it. I'm a woman like you. I understand how you feel. But babes, it is not your fault, like I said, that he died. But then you need to go out there, do some stuff, mingle, get your whole life in one piece. For your mental health, please. Please, babes. Just stop. Go out there and have fun. Mingle and everything will be fine. You need to calm down, Diane. You need to calm down. This whole thing is getting into your head. How can you say you saw my brother, your late fiancé, at the gym? Calm down. Diane? Diane, what is it? Diane! Diane! What is it? Diane! 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 My late brother James was an identical twin. Jason is his identical brother. Or should I say, you didn't get to meet him the period you both dated. And that's because you both dated for a very short period of time. Jason left town 5 years ago and swore never to come back. And that's because he's had several past bad experiences with women. And they are identical in everything. I mean, everything about Jason was James. Loving, kind, hardworking, you name it. So Jason decided to leave so he could erase the whole bad memories he's had in the past with women. Especially with the woman he dated last. So I never expected him to be in town now. Do you understand?
It's amazing how you knocked me off my feet. Oh, I can't believe that I am holding on to you. Even if you're leading me on, I don't wanna leave tomorrow. Wanna stay by your side now and forever. It is amazing with the way that I'm loving you. It is amazing the way that I'm tripping for you, my baby. It is amazing the way that I'm loving you.
You're attracted to Jason, James's twin brother, as in you're in love with him.
Everything about them is the same. The looks, the walk, the voice, the aura, every single thing, Stephanie. Please tell me the truth. Okay, tell me the truth, Stephanie. Tell me that is James and not Jason. And that there's nobody like Jason, please.
Come on, babes. Why would I want to lie about a thing like that? Jason and James are two different people, but identical twins. Jason is different from James your late fiancé.
Okay. I need him. I have to have him because he has something that belongs to me.
Really? Which is?
He has my love, James, in him. Stephanie, every time I see him, my heart skips. I see my James in him all the time. Look, I was trying to move on. I was trying to pick up my life, and then he resurfaced. Now all I can see is James. Okay, Stephanie, please, if you want me to get my life back in order, just like you said, I need your help. Please. I need you to help me do this one-time favor. I swear I'll be indebted to you. Just please help me out, please.
That won't be easy though, babes. I mean, Jason, my brother, has been through a lot in the hands of women. Especially the wealthy ones he dated. If there's one thing he doesn't want to hear right now, it's women. And if there's equally one thing he wants right now, it's to be a boss of his own, have people at his beck and call to order around, just like his exes did.
Okay, fine. He wants to be a boss, right? Some people fall in love and they give it their all. They get so attached to their partner that when withdrawn, it feels like it becomes so difficult for you to fall in love with someone else. I am some people. When my heart was stolen, immediately I died. And then I came back to life when I found the one who stole my heart in you. About the missing money, the fraudsters have been found. Look, I know that you can be anything bad, but not a thief. And when the issue of the stolen money came, I saw it as an opportunity to achieve my goals. I'm happy that you're vindicated. And I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I lied. I want you to know that whatever I did was all for love.
You know, one way or another, our past affects our present. My past relationship was not a good one. And it affected my mental health. I dated women Yes, they had money. But they were toxic. They were bossy. They had no respect for me. And at the end of the day, they threw me out over mere issues. I didn't handle the feeling well. And that made me swear to pay back. I always believe that women who are rich, they are bossy and saucy. But I was wrong. You proved me wrong. Dan, I mean every word I said. I'm in love with you. And I can't help it. I can't.
Thank you.
But babe, seriously, I'm not happy that you kept this away from me for this long. Huh?
Come on, babe. Are we doing this again? She's a woman like me and I promise to keep it a secret. Telling you is like telling my brother because you both are friends. I'm just trying to make my brother happy because I want the best for him. You know, it's just him and I.
You want the best for him? Oh, I love the sound of that. You want the best for your brother, he deserves all the best. Okay, but what about me? Huh? Don't I deserve the best?
Well, baby, you have me. Am I not the best? You have me.
So you're the best? Yes. Well, it's okay, but you know, you shouldn't just keep things away like this. I mean, that was a very sensitive stuff. You should have told me.
Okay, sir.
I have a surprise for you.
It's amazing how you knock me off my feet.
What is it?
Oh, I can't believe that I am holding on to you. Even if you're leading me on, I don't wanna leave tomorrow.
Don't know.
Wanna stay by your side now and forever. It is amazing with the way that I'm loving you. It is amazing the way that I'm tripping for you, my baby. It is amazing the way that I'm
You better say yes or I will take that ring. Just say yes.
Yes.
It's amazing how you knock me off my feet.
Yeah, wait it on you.
I can't believe that I am holding on to you. Even if you're leading me on, I don't wanna leave tomorrow. Wanna stay by your side now and forever. It is amazing with the way that I'm loving you. It is amazing the way that I'm tripping for you, my baby. It is amazing the way that I'm loving you. It is amazing. Loving you is amazing, yeah. Oh. scared to give me your heart. You are so scared, baby. But I'm willing to wait for you. I wanna fight for you. Wanna stand by you. We can face the